Yo, hello. Hello. Okay. Make sure everything is working. Is it the same session? Hmm. Really? I can't recall. Was this our session? Let me see. It was, yeah. Yeah, it was. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go back. It was here. It's this one. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's begin. It's what is this? We finished Friday. Let's go to Monday, Tuesday. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, that's Tuesday. July. Mark the high and the low as well. Okay, high, low, 1 minute. Mark the previous daily high here. Previous daily low. 1 minute. Okay. Why are the candles so small? What the fuck? I think that's bank holiday. Yeah, that's bank holiday, so no trading that day. No way the market open is. See, that's the thing about Forex Replay. It doesn't tell you that there's a bank holiday, but whenever you see the opening has a 2 points candle, that means it's bank holiday. Or there's something that, not bank holiday, but there's something off. It's like not online on the market. The market is not online. Okay. Is that previous day though? No. 1 minute. Okay, it's above. Yep, that's our entry right there. Open ES. No, that's NQ. ES. Do we have any SMT for the longs? Yes, we do. We do have an SMT. SMT here. Boom. Boom. Yep. That's SMT. Tourist reward. Risking $250 at partial 75. Auto break even at 1. Save and journal. I don't have the view up on. View up. Okay. View up on. We are above view up and above midnight open, and there is SMT. Huh? Have an SMT view above. Okay, good. 1 to 1 here. Okay, that's a stop loss. Why the fuck is my stop loss here? Okay, nice, good. I'm so happy, because I was so lazy to get back and redo it. Oh no. Sorry, my stop loss is wrong. I did not notice that swing, so that's a break-even trade. Oof. Okay. Above, midnight open above, SMT yes, I'm gonna put it break-even anyways, because okay. Boom. I'm supposed to break even. Okay, next day. No, actually no. We're still looking for entry. We did not sweep any previous day high or low. You see, we did sweep it, but during the opening, so it's irrelevant now. Keep on looking for longs. That's our long. Oh my god, again I missed it. I'm just gonna place a limit order here. Hopefully the price comes back, because I don't want to go back to that date. Hopefully it'll come back. Limit order 25%. Boom. Is there any SMT? Nice, it came back. Good, good, good. No SMT. Stop loss. Let open above. View up above. SMT no. And that's a stop loss. Next day. Oh, never mind. It was an FOMC day, so we do not trade that day. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna replay back to this date. If you journal anything and you want to delete that journal, just replay back to the time before the entry, and then it will just delete it automatically. Okay. Boom. Boom. Thursday. Let's go Thursday. Mark the high and the low. What the fuck is this? High and the low. Oh, what am I doing? Previous daily low been taken. Alright, so just look for entry. Do you have an PMI news here? No gap. You have a gap here. Okay, that is our entry. Price inverted that gap. I love this entry usually. Let's see if it's correlated with ES. No. 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 Below midnight open, below view up. So that's our stop. TP is tourist reward. Boom. 25, 75. Auto break even 1. SMT no. View up below. Midnight open below. stop loss to break even. That's a break even trade. Break even. Okay, that's a re-entry right there. Inverted that gap, and we created an SMT, I believe. Yeah, we did. So that's good. That's an SMT. SMT here. Is that an SMP though? No, that's not an SMT. It's a relative equal highs. Well, no, that's not an SMT. Entry here, stop loss there, 2 risk to reward. Want to break even. View up below, midnight open below. SMT, no. 1 to 1. Stop loss to break even. Holy shit. It's crazy. Wait, it did not hit my break even, by the way. Oh, it did. Okay, it did. That's another re-entry. My god, a lot of break evens. Another re-entry here. It's my stop. To risk to reward. Alright, that's crazy, obviously. That re-entry was bad. Like, usually, like, we're just being mechanical here. But it is what it is. No? Small loss. Like in the live, this trade could have been avoided, right? You could take 2 partials there and then you'd be happy with that. But you got the idea how we should treat the market. 15 minutes. Previous daily low, then highs all the way up here. That's pretty high. Okay, that's the entry. What time is it? 10:13. Entry. My stop loss there. Risk to reward. 25 to break even. Slow moment. Do you have any SMT on the entry? No SMT. Are we above view up in the night open? Yep, we are. Open above. SMT, no. 1 to 1. Oh, that was a harsh stop. Next. I think it's gonna go up. Never mind. Oh shit, what is this? High, low. So it's like down below. That should be our potential target if you want to go for the short. day. That's the high, that's the low. That's a gap. Yeah. Is that a gap? Yeah, it is a gap. 10:04. That's our trading time. Tourist reward. One. Let's correlate that with ES. What? Really? It's a big SMT, by the way. Oof. That is a really big SMT. 1-to-1. And that's a crazy SMT. Yeah. These type of trades are so good. Really clean SMT. I love it. Alright. Let open above. Clean. Next day. That was Wednesday. Thursday. High and low. What's my hobbies besides trading? I love swimming, bro. Swimming is my swimming and playing video games. But I love swimming. Swimming is really fun. Very choppy. This gap is inverted already. Not about how fast I am, to be honest. I'm not like Olympic type thing. I just swim freestyle swimming, you know, at a normal pace for like 40 to 1 hour, like 40 to 60 minutes every day. That is actually my cardio. I do that every day. I only take like 1 day off. It's so relaxing, so fun, peaceful. Yeah, that's from true. I really do not like that entry though. Let's see. Do you swim, bro? Do you usually swim? VWAP, above midnight open. Alright, TP hit. Do you swim, bro? His key. SMT, no. Okay. By the way, guys, whoever's just tuned in, Forex Replay was generous to give me 3 accounts to for a giveaway. If you check in the link in the comment section, I mean in the description, you will see the forum, so you can fill it up. And you might be the lucky winner. You'll get the 1 month free plan, the pro version, which is the one I'm using. You can access up till 2012 data and then open unlimited amount of screens. And you can go to the seconds time frame as well. seconds times frame. Giveaway ends on 12th of June, next week. Thursday next week. I mean, this week actually. This week. Thursday this week. So NFP. 1. Boom. Is that a gap? Nope. Okay, that's a gap. See, that's 10:02 though. I do not enter here. It's 10:02. So, okay, I enter here though. Oh my god. 10:02 I do not enter. I enter 10:03 and further. That is my entry. It's a better entry though. More risk to reward, more everything. That's the 1-to-1. How's this? Yes. No SMT. Just above midnight open and view up, I guess. Yep. Stop loss to break even. That's crazy though. Like, that is crazy. Look at this. That is crazy, to be honest. Like, that's unfair, you know? That is unfair. I think I'm gonna journal this as a winner though, I'm not gonna lie. Because that is just not acceptable. Like, there's no way on earth you're gonna tell me that's not a winning trade. There's no way. There's no way. That's like, that's crazy, you know? That's really crazy. It's because my stop loss is a bit wider, you know? A bit wider on the swing. Look at this. My stop is wide. It should be like on the swing, and then that'll be TP. See? That's 1.93. Put on the swing. That's 2.03. So that's a trade. This is crazy. Oh god. Yep. That makes more sense now. SMT no. View up above. And then open above. That's a really... I love July, man. I miss July. Like it's usually the summer is really good, but this year is just, this year is a hell of a year. It's a very challenging year, not gonna lie. Very challenging year. Monday, Tuesday, okay. Why do I always do this? That's NQ as well. Okay, that's a previous day low, and that's the high. I usually mark them when they are very close, otherwise I just don't. Because I see the indicator is telling me they are very far away. Is that a gap? That is a gap. Trade that day. I think there's FOMC news. Nope, there's nothing. Oh, so now we just swept the previous daily high. That's very interesting. So if we go above the range and then we see an SMT, that's where we're gonna go look for the shorts. Let's see. Gap here. entry. Like, I see. This is my favorite entries, to be honest. I mean, it might not work out, but that's one of my, like, that's where I would enter with confidence, to be honest. We just closed the range, created a swing. I think there's an SMT here. Nope, there is no SMT. But anyways, I just love, this is one of my favorite entries, when the price breaks the range and breaks the gap. I mean, inverts a gap. Let's see if it's gonna work out. I just love this setup. It's crazy. Instant drawdown, boom. But nevertheless, this setup is one of my favorite. It's just so good. I love it. SMT, no. It's crazy. It's like, alright, humble me. Next. Ooh. Stretch. NQ. Previous day low. Where's it really? It's already been taken. Okay, that's why. Okay. We have this gap here. Oh, wow. Okay. Nope, no SMT. We are below the midnight open. Are we below the VWAP though? I don't know. Yes, we are. It's 10:15. That's a really clean trade. Alright, so I want to give you a tip here, boys. So usually what I say, I love my setups when I see the price breaks the range, inverts a gap, and when the price rejects the orb, like here. So the orb is a very important key level, you know. I treat it as a very high, it's like a point of interest, like, you know, like order blocks, mitigation blocks, etc. It's a very, very important level of a key level. So on the price, like, that's a treat it as a support and resistance level. So in this case, we have a resistance, we rejected it, and then we went all the way down. That's really clean. Did I journal? 20 July. I did not journal. Previously low here. Let's see. I missed this price action. It's so clean. Okay, that's our entry. Do we have any SMT? Yes. I think there is an SMT. Oh, yep. Oh my god, it's a really nice SMT. Okay. Literally below midnight open. It's good. VWAP below. Midnight open. Below. SMT. Yes. 1 to 1. Alright. Interesting. What reversed the price though? Crazy. Break even. I think. Oh, the price creates an SMT. Yep, it did an SMT. That's why. We might, get a re-entry here with no SMT, which is a bit risky. That entry is very risky, by the way. Very risky entry. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay, yeah, that's break even. SMT no. I'm confused though. There is an entry here. Yep, here. My bad. Tourist reward. Do we have any SMT? Oh, we do have an SMT. It's really good SMT. I always forget to put. Oh, that's another break even. Yeah, I think that's enough for the day. And it's 12. Yeah. Another break even. What below? Midnight open below. SMT. Yes. 3 break evens. What? Oh, okay, sorry. I thought that was 23 of July. Okay, break even day. Small profits. Last week of July. Let's see. Oh, previous to the high already been taken. London went down. We have a gap there. That's our entry. 10 of 14. Stop loss. TP here. My stop is here again. Don't want to do the same mistake. Do we have any SMT? Yes, we do. Very good SMT. Okay. 1 to 1. A plus setup did not work, unfortunately. Above SMT, yes. What's that day? That's Tuesday. Yeah, the price wants to go all the way down. I think there's a FOMC here for the no trade Wednesday. Okay, Thursday. Is that the last week? Yeah, last week. Alright, so we have Thursday and Friday, and then we'll be done. We have this gap. Yeah, that's my favorite entry right there. Let's see. No SMT though. But we are interesting. We are above midnight open. Above midnight open and above VWAP. Okay, that is a different story now. Where's the midnight open? Yeah, that is well, that's not an A plus setup at all. It's like a C setup. VWAP above. Like it's a garbage setup, but you know, sometimes the low tier setup works and the high tier doesn't. Like here, for example. Yeah. But the reason why I like this setup is because we just closed above the range and then went back inside again. So we inverted the gap here, and then the price inverts another gap. So, but you need to take into consideration you're against VWAP and against the midnight open. So, but still it worked out, obviously. Everything has a win rate. It's a good month. Very good month. See, last trade of the day, of the month. Okay, we got this gap here. Okay, that's our entry. Oh no, I cannot enter. It's 10:01. I'll enter on this. Yeah, this one. See, my stop has to be all the way on. Oh, it has to be this one here. That's a last swing. It's a very tight stop, which I'm not really a fan of, but it is what it is. Yeah. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Stop is a stop. Okay, no SMT. Oh, no SMT. SMT no. Above VWAP and midnight open. Yep. VWAP above, midnight open, above. And July is over. What is this? Half hour. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5. Right. 4.5 hour. So. Let's see. 2 minus 4.5. You ended the month on 6 risk to reward, which is amazing. Amazing. Let's go to the analytics check. Obviously, like, that's all mechanical. If you add your discretion, that would be something else. So far, 60% win rate, 115 trades, very good equity curve. We have 4 consecutive lose streak, 5 winning streak, month 2%. Not bad. Not bad at all. So in dollars amount, that's like $1,159 on 150K account. Remember, we are looking here for copy trading, or you can increase your risk. You can do whatever you want. But so far, that's really good. That's really good results. 2%. Anything above 2% is very good. 1% is there is something wrong. It has to be fixed. 2 and above is very good. The first 3 months really good. April, May, June, July, really good. Let's see what the rest of the year has for us. But what's important for me is we're ending the month green or break even. No drawdown. Here you have like minus $100. That's nothing. So yeah, that'll be it for today, boys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Peace and take care. Bye bye.